photolysis of water release oxygen. So this oxygen will be released. So now it may be clear that the oxygen gas which is released by plant is from photolysis of water. Then energy will be released, and this energy will be utilized in a Calvin cycle. Calvin cycle will produce ADP and NADP, which is again used. So this is how carbohydrate light and dark reaction.
So dear friends, I wish if you can perform an experiment like Vinogradsky column. You prepare a column and you inoculate certain kind of the organisms into that which are collected from certain part of the ocean or even in the depth of the soil, and you put this Vinogradsky column in front of the light. Next day or after 1 week you will be able to observe beautiful green, sulfur or purple bands where you have kept the bulb. So these are the bacteria which you can see by yourself that they have done photosynthesis. So the growth or the band will occur towards the light where you have kept the source, and remaining part of the column will be blank. It would be wonderful to see these photosynthetic bacteria on your own in your laboratory with only small experiments. I hope you have understood bacterial photosynthesis in a nice manner, how it is working in light, in absence of light, in oxygen, in absence of oxygen, with the help of different mechanisms. Thank you and best of luck for your career.
Thank you very much.
SANDHAN, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.